Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the Hauzzo's Premium Professional Ionic Hair Dryer. Now I know that it is something quite different than what we are used to seeing on this channel, but rest assured it does have a built-in brushless motor. It is a 1400 watt, 3 heat settings plus a cold setting, 3 speed control settings, intelligent constant temperature, premium professional ionic hair dryer. Now, it is equipped with an in-house developed brushless motor, like I said, that creates wind speeds of up to 19 meters per second, which is 42.5 miles per hour and is measured at a force of 8 on the Beaufort wind scale, which is between 39 to 46 miles per hour, which is categorized as gale force winds. It has a hollow leafless design that amplifies the air to form a stronger airflow by sucking air from the filtered air inlet here on the bottom of the handle, which can be removed for cleaning and is held by magnets, and out from these air outlet vents. It comes with 2 nozzle attachments, a smoothing nozzle and a styling nozzle, which are attached to the dryer also via magnets and is 360 degrees rotatable. It has intelligent temperature control, which monitors the temperature up to 50 times per second for a constant temperature that will help in avoiding damage to hair and thereby efficiently and quickly drying your hair, and has negative ion technology to help eliminate static electricity, which helps to eliminate split ends, tightens hair scales, and makes hair shiny. It has 3 heat settings for hot, warm, and cool, and an off position for just room temperature air. It will switch from room temperature to heat within 1 second. It has 3 speed settings, low, medium, and high, with high setting blowing a wind speed of 42.5 miles per hour. Now the noise level at the high speed is less than 65 decibels. The rated voltage is 110 to 120 volts for use with household wall outlets. The power cord length is 2.7 meters or 8.8 feet. It weighs in at 623 grams or 1.34 pounds. It comes with an ACLI safety plug, which has the test and the reset buttons. Okay, so obviously my wife wanted to try it out after washing her hair. Now the power level was set to medium and the speed was also set to medium. It was her preference and she liked it a lot. Now she tried it out with the smoothing nozzle and loved how quickly and quietly it dried her hair. Looks like she will be keeping the hair dryer. Okay, so here I have a meat thermometer and we are going to start it up in the high speed setting and in the low heat setting. Now we are going to heat up the temperature probe of the thermometer to see how hot it will get. Now this will be the temperature at the tip of the hair dryer. And Looks like it's kind of slowing down here. And it looks like it will stop at about 147 degrees Fahrenheit at the low heat setting. Yep, right about there. Now let's see and set it to the medium heat level to see how hot it gets. Okay, here we go. Going beyond 160, and going higher. And looks like it's slowing down. Looks like about 173 degrees. Okay, so now the high heat setting. Getting situated here. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Whoa, it's going above 180 and slowing down at about 190. Still climbing to right about, I would say, 194 degrees or so. Okay, so that'll be about the top temperature. Oh, no, wait. It's going higher to about 198 degrees or so. So that'll be the maximum temperature of this hair dryer. Nice and warm. Okay, so here I have an old Vidal Sassoon 1500 watt traditional hair dryer. It is a bit noisier for sure, and it is climbing really quick. And looks like it's going to go hit the 200, and it's going to go beyond the 200. The heat level is set to high, and the speed is also set to high. Okay, so this thermometer is inadequate to measure the top temperature since it is going beyond the measurable threshold. So with this hair dryer, it is more likely that you will overheat your hair, and thus it will increase the chance of damaging your hair, like getting split ends, and it will also loosen your hair scales and thereby making your hair not as shiny. And lastly, here I have my B-Fight 210 FPV drone with the Gemfan 5152 props, and the Hauzzo's Ionic hair dryer had no problem spinning the props even without any of the attachments. So there you have it, guys, the Hauzzo's Ionic hair dryer that will finally replace my old and tired Vidal Sassoon cold shot hair dryer. Now if you want more information on this hair dryer, the product link is down below. So that'll do it then for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you again next time.